Did you know that you can make a swan out of an apple? I learned this at my first summer job at a farmer's market, and it is still one of the coolest tricks ever. You're going to start with an apple and cut it in half diagonally. Go ahead and save a couple of the seeds. Those are going to be used later as eyes. Once you're done with that, go ahead and grab your butter knives. We are going to use 2, and they're just going to act as a guide to make sure we don't cut all the way through the apple as we cut out a wedge from each side of the core of one of our halves. Once you've got those wedges cut out, place one of them in between the butter knives again and continue to cut out smaller and smaller wedges. I'm doing 3. And the wedges will kind of lay stacked on top of one another, and they create that wing effect. So do the same thing with that other half of the apple, the other wedge. Taper it and then set it on your apple. Now to make the head, we're going to take the other half of the apple, set it in between our knives, and start slicing out thin slices until you get a slice that has almost a heart shape to it. The heart shape is going to help us to get that shape of a swan's neck. So once you've got that heart-shaped slice, go ahead and cut a few wedges out to form the neck. And we'll grab one of those seeds that we set aside and just kind of using it, scrape a little hole in the head and lay it there. Finally, we'll cut out a rectangular wedge from the apple that we've been working with, and the head can sit nicely there. And just like that, you've got a swan apple.